Alright, the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have some dry wood. So, boom, we're going to do the cabin log style. Also, you want to have some wood wool, and this is some very high flammable material. You want to stuff it here in the middle. Okay. Now you want to put 2 pieces of wood across, so. And now you want to light it. If you want to, you can lay another piece of wood right in the middle. And after a while, we're going to see the fire start, the burn effectively. Also, you want to make sure you have a bucket of water to be able to extinguish the flames if something go wrong. Also have multiple videos that show you how to make fire in a different way. So as you can see, burning pretty good. Now if you like this video on my channel, you can look through, and I have different techniques, different ways, videos on different fire starters, and this is how you make a fire in under 3 minutes using wood. Stay tuned, please like and subscribe.